We're in Zakopane right now, and we drive about I don't know how many hours, because we left Vilnius yesterday at 7 p.m. at the evening, and here we are at I believe 2 p.m. So we drive a lot, about 1,000 kilometers from our home. So right now we are searching for the place where I can stay for a night, maybe more than a night, but probably we need just one spot for one night. And we came to camping, just saw the sign in the road, and we was somewhere in here at the office asking how much could cost for one night. We saw a lot of beautiful mountains, rivers, and the roads. It's amazing because you drive on an edge on the hill, so it's amazing. We don't have any cash. I want to believe that it's not a problem in Poland. Okay, we'll back. Probably not. Just imagine if you live in the mountains in this one light spot, you have a tree house. Oh man.